Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can buy Bitcoin in Changelly. Well, it's quite easy. First of all, open your Changelly account and make sure that you are logged in, and after doing that, all you have to do is tap on this icon right here, then tap on buy. So after tapping on buy, here you can see the amount and currency. So if you want this on US dollars, it is already on the US dollars, but not, you can drag this button right here and then select what you want. For now, I'm going to select euro, and here you can add down the amount. For example, I'm going to add about 2,000 euro, and here you will get the value of the Bitcoin just like this. So currently here you can see by default it is Bitcoin, but in case if it's not in Bitcoin, you can again drag this button right here and simply select Bitcoin just like this. And after doing that, here you'll get the option of payment method right here. You can see Changelly has by default given you the best payment provider, but if you want to change your payment provider, again drag this button right here and then you can select the provider of your choice. For example, I'm going to select this Topper, and in here again, if you drag down this button, you can select if you want to pay via your Visa card or your Apple Pay. For now, I'm going to select Apple Pay, and if you want to reset it, again tap on reset and select Visa card just like this. And when you're done with it, here you can also get the option of I have a promo code. If you tap on it, you can write down your promo code if you have, in order to get some discounts. And after doing that, all you have to do is tap on next step, and the next step will be adding down your destination address of your Bitcoin. So all you have to do is simply tap on it and then add down your address. But if you want to scan a QR code, you can tap on this icon right here, and then your camera will be opened, and just like this you can simply scan the QR code and add the destination address like this. And when you have done that, here all you have to do is tap on confirm. But if you not have your wallet yet, here you can get the option of create one. If you tap on it, you'll have to download the AB wallet on your phone, and after downloading your AB wallet, you can create your own wallet. And by doing all of this, all you have to do is tap on confirm, and then you will successfully buy yourself Bitcoin on Changelly application. That is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.